Present continuous tense the affirmative key subject plus is mr plus b1 plus ing plus object after the really. Example 1 the I am performing a work. I thabak ama pangthokli. Example 2 the Galaxy is writing an application. Galaxy na darkhas ama iri. Present continuous tense key interrogative hangba khangnaba is mr plus subject plus b1 plus ing plus object after the libra. Example 1 the is Santa doing the work. Santa thabak adu tauribra. Example 2 the am I speaking you? Ai nangonda nganglibra. Present continuous tense की negative formula the subject plus is mr plus not plus b1 plus ing plus object after the tray. Example 1 the they are not playing football. Makhoi football sanade. Example 2 the he is not coming my home. Mahak aigi yumda laktre. Present continuous tense की negative interrogative की formula is oblique m oblique r plus subject plus not plus b1 plus ing plus object after the tribra. Example 1 the are you not eating orange? Naha komla sa dribra. Example 2 the is the boy not drinking milk? Nupa masa adu sangom thaktribra.